Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your audit log on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see who made some certain changes within your ClickUp space. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to ClickUp. Then in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and click on Settings. And then from the space here, on the left-hand side, you want to click on Audit Logs. So what this is going to do is that it's going to opt you to actually upgrade your account. But with audit logs, you can basically keep track and report on activity happening within your workspace. So this is going to be great to see who's done what, by which user, what date, what time, etc. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find audit logs on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.